Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to join Tinkercad, how to sign in, and also certain features of Tinkercad. So what we're going to do first is to type in the URL. Okay, once that is open, what we're going to do is click on Join Now to create an account. Now for those who are above 12 years old, what you can do is create a personal account using your email. But for those who are below 12 years old, what you have to do is click on this green button that says join a class because you need a moderator in the form of a teacher or a parent. Once you click that, it'll ask for your class code. What you have to do is go to the email that Robofun has sent you and copy and paste the class code. Then click go to my class. Then click join with nickname. Now this nickname will be provided by your teacher in the very first lesson. So all you have to do is just log in with your nickname the next time. Now let's go log in. Let's click on sign in over here. For those students using a nickname, click on the green button. And for those who had their own account using email, just click on whichever one that you need to sign in with. Now, once you log in, you'll be brought to your dashboard, which if you begin creating your project, you will have multiple projects over here. But if you just created your account, you'll have nothing over here. So just click on create a new design to begin designing. So what you can do is look at your work plane right now over here. What you can do is drag your shapes on the right to the work plane. Now you can scroll down and there's plenty of other shapes over there that you can work with. You can also delete them if you don't like it. You can click on the trash can over here, or you can use the delete key button on your keyboard. Now you can also change the view to look at the shapes differently. So click on the cube over here, the top left corner, and then change the view to look at it differently. You can also zoom in. You can also zoom out. You can also return back to the home view. All right. You can also change the name of your project over here. So just click on it and change it into, let's just say, project 1. Now then Tinkercad will save it onto your account. There are, of course, a lot more features on Tinkercad over here, but this will all be discussed in the class.